I think at the final quarter of 2023, there was a sense that the interest rate cycle had peaked. There was hope that mortgage rates would start to fall. That actually boosted the number of sales being agreed. So we saw 17% year-on-year growth in the number of sales in November and December. And I think that's coming through into these firmer price numbers. I think it's still a bit of a challenging outlook for 2024. There's not going to be a big increase in house prices. I think what industry hopes for is more liquidity, more people moving home, because we only had 1 million people move home last year. So I think the market's not going to collapse, but it's neither going to boom, and hopefully we just build back sales volumes, because adjusting from 2% mortgage rates to 4, 5, 6% mortgage rates was never going to be a one-year, once and done thing. It was going to take a little bit longer for the realignment between incomes and house prices to happen.
Well, I mean, I've been covering the Bank of England for a very long time, and one of the things that they always said was the full effects of their higher interest rates had yet to be felt on the real economy. But it seems like we've gone past that point now, and already lenders are looking through it and have started to lower their offers on mortgage rate, which is great if you're looking to get on the ladder. But to what extent do you think that is going to help give a support to home prices in the coming years, given that if you take where we're going to be in 2024 and compare that to where we were in 2022, rates are still significantly higher than where they were? That's
right, and half of people with a mortgage are still yet to refinance onto the higher rates, basically. Right. So there's more money being sucked out of the economy, more money to be paid on housing. It certainly helps people who are looking to buy. But again, as you say, mortgage rates are still 2x where they were in 2021. But again, 4.5% mortgage rates, it's still pretty low mortgage rates but compared to long-run history.
Right.
And people also are turning up with and buying properties with much bigger deposits. So I think it's about confidence. There's definitely some confidence returning to the market. There are people that want to move home and think that 4.5%, 5% mortgage rates are okay for them to carry on and buy a property. And that's going to support transaction volumes, I think, more than it's going to support property prices.